Hello everyone, I'm Layman with MI Windows and Doors, and I am thrilled to be introducing to you a brand new video series we are calling Know Your Window. Now the goal of these videos is to help provide you with an up-close and detailed look at our latest and greatest products. Today we're going to kick the series off by looking at one of our most popular windows, the 3500. The MI 3500 series is a new construction window that features a stylish beveled exterior profile and is available in multiple color options. From the three extrusions, the 3500 comes in white, almond, and clay, both inside and out. Exterior laminates are available in either the black shown here or bronze, both with a white interior. Additionally, we also offer 8 different exterior paint options in either the white or almond interior finish, giving you a wide range of custom looks to meet the current design trends. The 3500 has several frame types depending on installation application. The new construction frame comes with integral nailing fins, a block frame or finless for replacement applications, and the 3540 comes with a front flange for stucco or masonry block applications. Like all MI products, we offer a variety of energy-efficient glass options for the 3500 depending upon which part of the country you are in. For the North and Midwest, we offer low E and argon as well as a high-performance low E and argon. Privacy glass is also an option. We offer both obscure or rain glass, perfect for bathrooms, front door side lights, and dormer windows. Tempered glass is also an optional upgrade. We offer many different options for grid configurations as well. Shown here is the flat grid. A more contoured grid is also available, as well as multiple patterns. As you can see, the grids are in between the glass for easy cleaning and maintenance. We also offer a simulated divide light, or SDLs, which are typically found in most historic districts, HOAs, or if you're looking to add a little wow to your window. The MI 3500 is componentized, making it ideal for builders, framers, and installers in the field. The first componentized feature is the way we glaze the top glass. It is a drop-in glaze system, very easy to replace in the field should damage occur. Simply pop out the 4 interior beads and your glass pack comes right out. So if you're working on the second or third floor and you need to replace the glass, it comes out on the inside, making it more convenient and, more importantly, safer to change out. One of the many advantages of the 3500 is that it is pass-through ready. You simply remove the 4 beads around the top glass as we discussed earlier and pop out your glass pack. Then you're going to lower your bottom sash. Once you've removed the glass and lowered the sash, you'll be able to access the Phillips head screws on either side of the meeting rail. Remove the screws, pop off the rail, and you'll be able to pass through all kinds of building materials such as drywall and sheetrock. The lower sill is snap-in and removable, so should any damage occur to the sill while passing material through, all you need to do is use a tool to score the sill around and then pop it off. An added benefit there is that if the product is already bricked, you no longer have to replace the entire window, just the sill part, saving you time and money. The balances that allow the sash to travel up and down are designed for safe sash cleaning. As you can see here, when you tilt the sash, it does not come out of the cam at 90 degrees. The stainless steel coils are protected from dirt, debris, and construction dust, and they are also adjustable. Say for instance you had a drifting sash, MI offers a friction screw. You pop that in the box, turn the screw to spread it out, which causes more friction, tightening up the balance. All the locks, keepers, and hardware on the product are low profile and easily replaceable. We want our customers to see their view, not all the parts that make up the window. Here at MI we use opposing locks so you can lock yourself in with a nice uniform seal in the center. The MI 3500 is available in a wide range of sizes, from as small as 13 by 24 to as large as 48 by 96. It is available as a single unit, twin, or triple, with many mulling and stacking configurations available. We also offer many complementary products as well, such as fixed window, transom, horizontal slider, casement awning, sliding glass door, and special shapes. The 3500 is available now for your next new build or restoration project. For more information and ordering options, please contact your local MI representative or authorized MI dealer. I certainly hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.